Badass.
It's the Hillbilly on the YouTube channel. Oh, hell yeah.
What's going on, everybody? We're back at the Kawasaki today. We ran into some issues the other day and figured out that it just wants to leak gas no matter what I do. So I've gone through and I bought all the parts, replaced everything in the fuel system, including the carburetor, because the carburetor was 20 bucks for a Chinese knockoff one. Now we have the original carburetor. We will rebuild that at some point because that's a really nice carburetor right there. Anyway, we got all the stuff. We're going to go ahead and button her up, and I'm going to just try to dry fire it, see what happens. Okay. So we got the new carburetor on. It's looking pretty good. We had to pull the oil filter. Well, I got a brand new oil filter for it too. I just felt like maybe it wasn't cycling oil. Look at that. Yeah, it wasn't cycling oil the way it should be. I think that might have been the whining in the last video. But anyway, we're going to get that done. Get her buttoned up. There's our new Chinese carburetor right there. All set to go. Everything looks good. We got one other job to do, and we'll be pouring gas in it and firing. So I just want to jump on here real quick and say something about this machine. As long as we've had this machine, it has leaked everything that you put in it. No matter what, it would leak oil, gasoline, everything. And I've gone and replaced everything that I could possibly do to make sure that I don't have to put an oil pan underneath it. But I tell you what, at this point, everything, every gasket, every little hose, everything has been replaced. And if it decides to leak at this point, well, it's not going to live too great a life with us, because we're going to beat the heck out of it until it dies. Here's where we're at. I just touched the starter and it started right up. So I don't know about how much adjusting on that carburetor is going to have to be done. Maybe just take the idle up a little bit. But it started like right now. See if it'll do it again. Huh. That's a pretty low idle. We might want to bump that up a little bit. I think we're going to have to adjust the valves on it. But other than that, okay. Question is, will it do it again? It hasn't ran this good in a long time, so there you go, Chinese carburetor. But it's still a little bit low on that idle. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to bump that up. So yeah, I'm gonna let it run for a minute and then check the oil and then take it for a spin. New carburetor is working really good. I'm gonna have to adjust the air needle a little bit because it's a little spit and sputter, nothing too crazy. Battery's working good. No leaks as of right now. I did find a spot where it might leak, and one of the main issues is I bought a used shifter for it. For some reason, when I put the used shifter on it, it's not tightening down the shift shaft enough, so it's making the clutch whine quite a bit. That's what I think is going on. So I put the one that we have been using on it. That hasn't caused any issues. It does kind of suck. You gotta heel shift it. But anyway, I see one little drippy drop there. Have to look in and investigate that. But other than that, I think we're probably gonna end up having to do clutches on this. Take that case off and redo the clutches. I think by the end of this year it's gonna be worn out, but they'll give me something to do over winter. I think for now, we're just gonna ride it. And ride it crazy the way it is. So heck yeah, Kawasaki is back on the team and ready to go. We'll get some new tires on the back of it eventually. It's turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I would like that clutch to just shut up and do its job, but you know, you never can tell with these old machines what's just going to happen. And I've never done a clutch before, so it'll be a good learning opportunity, right? But until then, it's going to get ridden until it decides to not go in gear. Once that happens, we'll do the clutch. Yeah, so this is going to be fun right here.
Ready?
Yep. Well, I mean, it's a classic Back from the Dead, right? They joined the fleet. The old Yami.
A little bit of steel wool and some Scotch-Brite pads.
The new seat. Fix up the headlights.
We're gonna have a green leather seat.
Put it to it.
Or I might do blue, just to upset the Honda guys.
Solid. So what do you think?
I think so.
I just want to say,
I think I deserve a chicken down.
I think, what day was this? Thursday that this thing showed up here?
Oh, that's today.
Today's Saturday. So in 3 days, it's gone from sitting in a field, like lost to time, to now like extremely sketchy to ride and looking beautiful. Nicely done, brother.
Thank you, brother. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be able to do it.
There it is. Looking good.
Fuck, dude. It's a whole different machine now.
Why?
Nope.
What happened?
Thing's scary.
What? For you?
You guys ain't been on nothing this fast yet.
Stupid, huh?
Are you shaking?
Yeah.
Joe. Oh, good. You're recording. Oh, he's
It's stupid. Stupid fast. We like stupid fast. we beat her up a little bit. So yeah.
So yeah, what?
Hillbilly Ponda. Hillbilly hunt. Oh hell yeah! Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh yeah!